Harvest Moon Festival Boy Time really flies. Isang malikmata lang po, mamamalaya natin. Oktubre na. And October here in Southern California is very special because it commemorates Filipino-American Heritage Month. At ngayong hapon sa Kababayan LA, paghahandaan po at pag-uusapan natin yan. Talking about Tambayayong, ano nga ba yun? We have some kababayans that will be having an event in Carson sa October. Edgar and Peter, hello and welcome to Kababayan LA.
Hello.
Pakilala muna natin, Edgar, ang Sining Kambayoka sa kanila. Ano bang Sining Kambayoka?
It is a non-profit organization and it has been formed 2001. And then this is really to educate the Filipino-American youth who have grown or has been here in California or in America about the tribal culture of the Philippines.
Okay. And Peter, you are with Filipino-American Artists Guild.
Yes.
Ano ba yun? I've never heard of them before.
Well, we just formed last year. It's composed of prominent artists that live here in Southern California that cover niche in their different occupation. But we still have our loves of art. That's why we formed this group, so we can educate people about this kind of art that we have developed here in California.
So what is the kind of art that you develop? When you say artists, painters, sculptors?
Well, we have our different artists with different types of painting, but mostly it's composed of a Filipino motif, which is the Mayan painting lifestyle, you know, and some of them is the different type of scenery that you can see in the Philippines.
And all this, I'm hoping that we'll see on October 1st?
First to the 31st.
Sa Tambayayong, and it's going to happen in Carson, South Bay Pavilion. You have a very active Filipino-American group in Carson, and they're organizing all this. Ano ba yung Tambayayong? As a word, what is that?
Tambayayong is the Visayan equivalent of bayanihan.
Oo. Kaya pala hindi ko alam. So it's Visayan. Okay, hindi siya Tagalog.
Yeah.
Okay, and then, so what is Tambayayong as an event? What's going to happen on October 1st?
Tambayayong is like, so from the meaning alone of Tambayayong, meaning cooperation of the community. Now, we are trying to have the cooperation of the Filipino people way back in the Philippines and the Filipinos here in America. That's why it is composed of 4 aspects. We have the cultural aspect. That's why we are bringing, that's the first, we are bringing the Zamboanga Peninsula people, which is composed of the natives called the Magindanaos and the Subanans.
Lilipad sila, papunta dito.
And they will be coming here.
What are they sharing with us? What can we learn from the Magindanaos and the Subanans? Yeah. What are we going to learn from them?
The Subanans are the first tribe that the Americans have already what do you call this, colonized. That's why they speak better English than we do.
Really?
Than I do.
O sige, mag-Tagalog na lang tayo. Tapos?
I mean, they are the ones. And so, they share with us a different culture. A culture that we can show here in the Tambayayong Festival, where they can dance in the swing. You know, they have a very big swing, right? And they will dance on top of it while the swing is swinging.
Wow, the Philippines is very rich in culture, no? And earlier, I like that you took note of the fact when I said, you know, you're wearing malong right now.
Yes.
But that is different from the sarong. Ano bang pinagkaiba ng malong at sarong?
Yung sarong kasi is about a folk culture, which is when we were colonized by the Spanish, right? But this malong is hand-woven. This has been worn by the tribes, and you know, when you say tribal people, they came way back before the Spanish conquered us.
Very indigenous talaga
Very indigenous.
to the Filipinos. Ano naman ang magiging participation, Peter, ng PAAG sa event na ito?
Well, sa event na ito, we're going to exhibit different types of artists and their styles and techniques.
And it's mostly painting, drawing?
Painting, and we have some illustrations and portraiture during that event.
Okay.
So you can, even you yourself can come in there. We invite you to go there, and hopefully one of our artists can do your portrait.
Wow, how nice.
Yes, I think that's the better way we can interact with people, so we can educate them much better.
Sounds good. Who should go? And is this a free event, or are
It is a free event. There is no shall we say, there is no
entrance fee
because it is held inside the mall.
Okay.
Okay. Since there is the Filipino Heritage Month, and Councilman Santorina was the one who really engineered this, we had an event there, and Councilman Santorina said, I'm very interested in your show on the festival. And particularly, by the way, I would like to inform that this is the year where the Mount Pinatubo, 20th anniversary of the Mount Pinatubo eruption, right?
Okay.
And the Philippine photographers who are now like a photographer of Manila Bulletin or all those Philippine newspapers.
We'll be having an exhibit.
We'll be having a photo exhibit. This is the 20th anniversary. And mind you, one of the exhibit there is done by Alberto Garcia or Albert Garcia from Manila Bulletin. That is one of the 10 most prominent pictures of the century. Not even Mount St. Helens has been there.
Sounds good. You know, I really want to see that. It's going to be happening on October 1st to the 31st. It's a free event. Everyone should go. Mga kababayan, mga kaibigan ng mga kababayan. Also, right? And may oras ba ito sa October 1st? What time?
Well, ang October 1st is about opening ceremony.
Okay, opening
ceremony.
And that's the information on the screen. You have to check out their website to find out more. For now, thank you so much and more power to you.
Thank you very much.
Alright,
for having me.
magkita-kita tayo. And mabuhay tayong mga kababayan.
Yes.
Harvest Moon Festival highlights when we return on the show. Your YouTube stars gathering and singing together. You wouldn't want to miss that. Don't go away.